Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Just Ellie. Today I'm going to show you what goes into my salad bowl. My salad bowl has two compartments, and because of that, I can diversify what I add to this bowl. So I start off by making my simple salad. Now there's a video in which I show you all the different bowls that I use as I do my food preparations, also some of the ingredients that I tend to use. I've linked that video down below in the description box. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more. Also hit that notification bell. I'd also appreciate it if you leave a comment and like this video. Now I've finished with my salad and now I'm going to add my dressing. I tend to make my own dressing because the store-bought dressings are way too expensive and dressings are so simple to make. I start off by adding some olive oil, then I'd add some dried herbs, and to that, for a little creaminess, you'd see that I also add a bit of mayo. At times I'm going to incorporate my fruit into my salad, but today I'm simply going to add my fruit to the top of the salad bowl. So I have these delicious big grapes. I'm also going to add some cashews. I had these peanut butter cookies. And now my most addictive snack, my lifesaver gummies. I was actually supposed to add just 4 of these, but I ended up adding 6. What do you think about my salad bowl? Thanks so much for watching. Bye.